Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Zaini Damareva. Here I will present two topics that I have created, namely software and operating system and hardware. Let's see my first topic. Software. Software refers to part of the computer which do not have a material form, such as program, data protocol, etc. When software is stored in hardware that cannot easily be modified, such as BIOS ROM in an IBM PC compatible, it is sometimes called firmware to indicate that it falls into an uncertain area somewhere between hardware and software. Advantage and disadvantage of system software. Advantage: eases the work of the employees, thus increasing their productivity. Enable the service provider to gain access to clients' records quickly, thus enhancing customer service. The system provides a much better presentation of reports. The presentation of data enables better and faster decision making. Disadvantage: the process of creating the software consumes a lot of time as well as updating the system. These system softwares may sometimes not cater for all the requirements of the user. It is also very costly when it comes to obtaining license. The developers must be well equipped with knowledge on low-level language. Operating system. The operating system is a special type of program that loads automatically when you start your computer. The operating system allows you to use the advanced features of a modern computer without having to learn all the details of how the hardware works. The link between the hardware and you, the user, makes the computer easy to use without having to understand bits and bytes. Example operating system: Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME, KDE, Mac OS, Mac OS Classic, Mac OS X. Conclusion: system software is the software that manages the resource and allow a user to interact with the system. On the other hand, an operating system collects programs that coordinate all activities among computer hardware devices. Topic 2: Hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Hardware can be divided into two categories: input device and output device. Input device. Input device is computer device that is used to input data into computer system. Input device can be divided into some categories. Text input device, such as keyboards, a device to input text and character by the pressing button, refer, refer to as keys. Similar to a typewriter, the most common English language key layout is the QWERTY layout. Below is a picture of a keyboard using QWERTY layout. Pointing device. The most common pointing device is mouse. Is computing a mouse plural mice or mouse device is a pointing device that functions by detecting two-dimensional motion relative to its supporting surface. Physically, a mouse consists of an object held under one of the user's hands, with one or more buttons, other elements such as wheels or extra button. Other alternative of pointing device is trackball, a pointing device consisting of an exposed protruding ball housed in a socket that detects rotation about two axes. The trackball was invented by Tom Cranston and Fred Longstaff as part of the Royal Canadian Navy's DATAR system in 195-2 1. 11 years before the mouse was invented. Below is a picture of a trackball. Gaming device. One example of gaming device is a joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of a handheld stick that pivots around one end to detect angles in two or three dimensions. Image video input device. There are two common input devices in this type. First is image scanner, a device that provides input by analyzing image, printing text, handwriting, or an object. Below is a picture of image scanner. Second type is a webcam. Webcams are video capturing device connected to computers or computer networks, often using USB or if they connect to networks, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. They are well known for their low manufacturing costs and flexible application. Below is a picture of a webcam. Audio input devices. One example of audio input device is a microphone. Microphone, sometimes referred to as a mic or mic, is an acoustic to electric transducer or sensor that converts sound into an electrical signal. Microphones are used in many applications such as telephones, tape recorders, hearing aids, motion picture production, live and recorded audio engineering in radio and television broadcasting, and in computers for recording voice, VoIP, and for non-acoustic purposes such as ultrasonic checking. Output device. An output device is a hardware component that translates processed data into a form that can be understood by humans or used by other devices. Image, video output devices. For example, is a printer. In computing, a printer is a peripheral which produces a hard copy, permanent human-readable text and or graphic of documents stored in electronic form, usually on physical print media such as a paper or transparencies. Many printers are primarily used as local peripheral and are attached by a printer cable or, in most newer printer, a USB cable to a computer which serve as a document source. Audio output devices, speakers. Computer speakers or multimedia speakers are external speakers commonly equipped with a low power internal amplifier. Headsets, headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers, or less commonly a single speaker with a way of holding them close to a user's ears and a means of connecting them to a signal source, such as an audio amplifier, radio, or CD player. Uh, that is my presentation. Thank you for your time. Good luck and have a nice day.